Hello everybody, welcome again to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. I said the other day in one of my videos about Ian Matthews and the Scrap Goddess, and how right he was that, yeah, you saw my disastrous start to my YouTube channel and took things apart and whatever. Anyway, I was given some things kindly by some neighbours. Dyson's why. Okay, I've brought you down to the bench. Me and these spring coils that when the cable, yeah, we got the usual cable. There we go, nice bit of cable. And it goes into the machine and yeah, so you've got the old spring coil in there. And every time I take it apart, I do something, I say, right, be careful this time. And it just goes boof, it explodes into this. And it scares the hell out of me. It's only steel, but yeah, whatever. We've got a bit of stainless steel there. Can you see that? I'll put it on my, there. Not much, but it all adds up. Steel again. Bit of, obviously where I cut the cable going in, nice bit of, I'll put that against there, you can see the brass contacts, so I'll strip that down. This was the on-off switch. Oh, and everything's going everywhere. This was the on-off switch, so we got bits and bobs on there. That's probably silver, it might be brass. If you can see that against my thing. Another contact on the end. Another contact. And then in here, there's going to be some brass, something like that, because that's where the on-off button was. So I'll put that in the boredom box to strip apart and all that. I better put this in here. That's got to go in there, and I better put the stainless in the thing before I forget. And then all we've got left is the motor, and that's it. So yeah, we'll see what's in these white bits here. Sometimes there's brass, sometimes there's not. There's other things. So we'll, oh, there we go. Back into the boredom box. The usual brass, copper, well, just your normal motor basically. I've got to start sorting these motors out because they're starting to, I'll bring you up, because they're starting to build up to quite a lot, and it'll be a bit overpowering, I think, when I start to, I'll do 5 or 10 a day, something like that, but I got a lot, so it's time I cracked on with these. I think that really what's stopping me, like I said, I can't grind or bang them in the garage, especially grind them, because of all the petrol equipment that I've got around, disc cutter, petrol lawnmower, you name it. It's way too dangerous. So with the weather, Great British weather as they say, I can't even move this box, and I got another few at the back. So there you have it, everything that you get from a Flymo strimmer, the Dyson, and the water pressure, yeah, sprayer, whatever, cleaner. All comes down to the same thing, just the motor, bit of cable, bit of this, bit of that, but mostly you're left with plastic. perhaps it's the lesson to lose. The lesson to take from it is to be perhaps more choosy of what you pick. If you're a seasoned scrapper, you just think, oh, forget it. I know what's in there. I'm going to end up going down the dump with all the plastic, and I'm going to waste more petrol than what I get from the actual machines. But to me, as I said, I'm in a different position. It's helping me recuperate with my left arm. And I'm just grateful of taking things apart, seeing how they work, and yeah. But for seasoned scrappers, I think a lot of you are quite wary of items containing a lot of plastic. A video to write home about, but to me it was interesting taking them apart, and hopefully, you know, for if there are would-be scrappers watching, then, as I said, you might think twice about picking up a Dyson or Flymo, but it's good training, it's good for learning and everything like that. So there we go. That's what you get out of those machines, and is it worth it? I don't know, but it helped my recuperation, so that's all that matters from my point of view. Right. I love you and leave you. I'll see you in the next one. This is doing my head in. Blinking, blinking. Yeah, you can bloody go in the bin. Oh, actually helping me now coming apart here after all that bloody time. You had to, didn't you? Yeah, did my flipping head in. Right, you're going in the bin. Yep, pain. Yeah, so much bloody plastic now. You're the bit that can't fit in. Yeah, you're having it. If I was allowed to burn you, I bloody well would. Give me alcohol, anything. That has done my flipping head in. Just calm breaths. It's only a bit of wire, bit of plastic. Still flipping having it, you bastard. Right. Still haven't given up, have you? Still got to give you some Sammy blinking love to totally destroy you. You're having it. Yeah, had to leave that as a reminder as well, didn't you?